right, so 3, 2, 1, build breakdown with my man Tyson right here. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and we finally can. So, you take the floor.
It's a car. It has an engine in it. There's some suspension stuff, and it goes vroom vroom sideways.
Alright, I'm leaving it. Kidding! Alright, what's going on with this?
RB25 Neo, completely unopened, factory internals, Garrett GTX 3071, 20 pounds on the 85. It makes 490 horsepower, 425 torque, GKTECH, complete front end. It's amazing, feels great, gets like 65 degrees of angle, but still feels like, drives like a normal car on the street.
Looks like he's gliding on the wings of Anubis on the track. Just like that.
So, it's a 1994 convertible, factory convertible. I didn't cut the roof off of it. B&B blister kit, Cosmos wheels, Z-brakes all the way around, ASD handbrake, fuel cell, tube front, tube rear. When I conceived and thought of building this car, I had another convertible before this. And I bought this shell in 2012 and started the process of building it. This was basically the coolest car that I could build in 2013. They didn't make a more aggressive body kit. Wanted to build a really cool, high-level convertible. You want to see the booty?
Yeah, we want to see the booties. I want to see the booties. Do you guys want to see the booties? I want to see the booties.
So RCI fuel cell, 10 gallon. There's 2 Walbro 255s in the cell, which feeds the surge tank. Yep, feeds the surge tank, and then the surge tank feeds A1000 forward to the rail. ID1000 injectors, which have plenty of room to go on the 85. Like I said, I'm making 500, and I could probably get 600 before I need to go to bigger injectors.
That's awesome.
Fully modular bash bars, they slide out when I stuff it into walls. So you can just take the bash bars off, fab up new ones, and slide them in.
Yes, they do that.
350Z axle conversion with the villain stubs, PBM rear knuckles, ISR Pro arms. It's a GKTECH Front, which I really enjoy. BC coils, custom valved. 9K front, 5K rear.
9K front?
Yeah, 9K front. The extra weight of the RB, I stepped it up a little bit, and then I dropped it a little bit in the rear so it would squat and get a little more traction that way.
Sweet.
So,
what about damp settings?
Damping, I run, when I'm at the track, I actually run full soft all the way around with no front sway bar.
All the way around full soft?
Yep, full soft all the way around. Again, I can't sing enough praises of the GKTECH front end. I really enjoy it. It suits my driving style well, maybe different for other people. Not that I personally don't care for wise fab, but that's just me. A lot of guys that are way better drivers than me kill on it, and they're a lot more precise. As I said, since it does require more steering input, you tend to be much more precise and put your car in the very specific places that you want it to be. Yeah, it's not that one's better or worse than the other. It's like RBs aren't better or worse than JZs.
I don't know what he's talking about. Jay-Z's our life.
Back in 2010 when I did my very first motor swap, my first car originally had a KA in it, and I blew the KA up, and I had $2,500 to do a motor swap. So back then you could get an SR20 or an RB20 for about $1,600. And they cost the same, and the only reason I chose an RB is because 6 is better than 4, and RBs sound cooler. The car's fast in drift. And it feels good. It's nice to drive down the road. It's not bumpy. It absorbs and it drives like a reasonably normal car. Because I do street drive this car. It's not my daily, but I do still street drive it as much as I possibly can.
Yes,
it's
same here.
Yeah, 100 miles round trip to get here for this whole meet. So.
Is it really 100? Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I'm out in Claremont, so it's a ways.
Well, I love this thing. It's sexy. It's sweet. I wish you guys could have seen it when it had the Miami flare going on, because you literally look at the car and feel like you're in South Beach. And it's awesome. But it's still awesome. Thank you, my friend. I've been wanting to do that for a long time.
Come to the next event and we can do kiss with the car.
Exactly. And we can learn little guys how to drift. Or teach them. Teach them. Not learn them. Teach them.
I'm going to learn you, boy.
I'm going to learn you.